Why'd you tell them what we're getting ready to do?
We're gonna light the house on fire. Is it getting red?
I don't know. Yep, it is. Ready?
We're gonna make a firework out of, what's it called?
A flint in a spring from a lighter.
Yeah, a flint in a spring
We
from a
just
lighter.
took apart a lighter.
I got it.
And we're gonna show you what to do. All right, so we got this little piece of flint in my hands right here. You see it?
Yep.
I got this spring. See the spring?
Yep.
We're gonna stretch the spring.
Okay.
I'm gonna wrap the flint. Are you cold?
Yes.
Gonna wrap the flint around the spring.
2 times. 2 times.
Let's see if we can even put it around here.
2 times. You have to do it 2 times.
I'm gonna try it like that.
2 times.
Okay.
2
You have to
times.
get it. You have to get it. I'll get it. Right there. So, and then you have to light it to where it's really red, and then you throw it down. You got about 5 seconds. All right. Where's the lighter?
I gave it to you.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. All right. Okay. Ready?
You have 5 seconds to throw it down.
Yeah, I gotta make sure it's gonna get red.
Hurry up. I'm counting down. 5,
Oh, it's too windy.
4, 3. Is that eagle?
Can't tell what's going on.
I can do it. I can't see you.
Okay, we gotta get out of the wind. Oh. We gotta wait. It's cold. It's cold. You were shaking.
Woohoo!
Okay, after the road. Ready?
Ooh, ice. Woo. Dad, can I fall on the ice? I want to fall.
Are you still filming?
Yes, I just started filming. Hurry up.
Let's get it. Ready? Let's get ready. Like right here. Film it right here. Oh.
25 seconds.
Why'd you not filming?
Yes, I am. Maybe we don't have the white light on.
No, but
Maybe let's go get the small one.
I thought you said 5 seconds.
No, I said 25.
Ah, the wind. On this.
I'm filming.
Come on. This?
Yep. Not too low. Not too low.
No, let's get down. Let's get down so you can see it. Hey.
I'm like doing the splits right now.
Oh. We're gonna have to wait. It's too windy. Here. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna light it.
Can I get back?
All right, here we go. Try something else.
10 seconds in. Is it getting red?
I don't know. Yep, it is. Ready? What? Film. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yes. We did it. Really? Back it up. You better get going. All right. Is that cool?
Yeah.
You've been wanting to do that for a long time.
Yeah.
High five. Boop.
Bye, love you all.
Bye.